Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with honesty and expertise so you can make the right choices for your routine. Let me ask you this. How many times have you admired Salon Perfect nude nails but couldn't justify the price or time commitment? That's where today's product steps in. We're looking at the Kiss Bare But Better Press-On nails in the Nude Drama style. These are long, coffin-shaped, salon-inspired press-ons that promise a flawless nude look without stepping foot in a salon. The kit comes with 28 nails, pink gel nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick. What makes this collection different is the True Nude range, 4 carefully curated nude shades designed to flatter a wide variety of skin tones. The goal is to mimic the no-makeup makeup trend, but for nails with a natural, polished aesthetic. They claim to last up to 14 days, resist chips, and maintain a salon-fresh look that's both waterproof and smudge-proof. Now, onto real-world use. Application was pretty straightforward. Prepping with the included file and stick made it easy to get a clean base, and the glue wasn't overly messy. The nails adhered quickly, and within minutes they looked like a professional set. The feel was lightweight but secure, which is important. Some press-ons can feel bulky or pop off at the slightest snag, but these stayed put. I wore them through everyday tasks like typing, cooking, and even some light cleaning, and they held up better than expected. There are definite strengths. They give a polished, salon-level result without the time or money investment. The nude tones really do blend nicely with different skin tones, and the coffin shape has that modern, elegant vibe. I also like that you get 28 nails, so even if one pops off, there are plenty of spares to find the right fit. But there are a few trade-offs. The glue is small, so if you're someone who regularly applies press-ons, you may want a larger tube on hand. The long coffin shape, while stylish, might not be practical for everyone, especially if you use your hands a lot for work. And while they claim up to 14 days, I found around 7 to 10 days to be more realistic before edges started lifting. Quick pause here. If you're finding this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so other beauty lovers can discover Beautyistic. Your support keeps us bringing honest reviews your way. When it comes to value, these are priced far lower than a salon acrylic set, yet they deliver a comparable look. Compared to other drugstore press-ons, Kiss consistently stands out in both design and wear time. Some budget brands can look plasticky or lift quickly, while these maintain a more seamless, natural finish. In terms of build quality, the nails themselves have a nice thickness, not too flimsy, not too rigid. They don't bend easily, which adds to the durability. The packaging is simple but functional, with everything you need for application included. As for alternatives, if you prefer something shorter or more natural looking, Kiss also offers Bare But Better in different shapes and lengths. For budget-conscious shoppers, brands like Impress, which offer adhesive back nails, are another option, though they don't usually last as long as glue-ons. So, what's the final word? The Kiss Bare But Better Press-On nails in Nude Drama hit a sweet spot between convenience, style, and affordability. They're best suited for anyone who wants a polished nude manicure without salon costs or appointments. They may not last the full 14 days for everyone, and the length may not be ideal for practical day-to-day wear, but overall, they deliver on their promise of salon-inspired nails at home. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the description or comments below. And if you've tried these nails, I'd love to hear your experience. Did they last for you? Or do you prefer another brand? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.